Here's a AP Calculus AB practice question. Could be a BC practice question too. If y equals x raised to the cosine x power, then y prime equals what? Now some people may say, well, the derivative of x cosine x is negative sine of x times x cosine x, and then times x to the cosine x, I don't know, minus 1. I don't know. They're trying to treat cosine x as a constant. Cosine x is not a constant, so you can't do it like that. So there's something else you have to do here. Take the natural log of both sides. Natural log of y equals natural log of x raised to the cosine x. And then I can take this exponent and move it out in front. Natural log of y equals cosine x times natural log of x. And I should really put these in parentheses so the argument, that's the thing I'm taking the log or cosine of, is clear. And now I want to use implicit differentiation. Natural log of y, well, the natural log of x equals 1 over x. So natural log of y is 1 over y, dy dx, or y prime, equals, and then I will take the, hold on, I'm trying to think, yeah, I guess I can do it this way. I have to use the the product rule here. So the derivative, I'll do cosine x is f, and g is natural log of x. And then f prime is negative sine x. And g prime is 1 over x. So f prime g times g prime x is negative sine of x times natural log of x plus g prime 1 over x times cosine x. And I will put them over a common denominator, which is x. This has an x in the denominator. To get an x in this denominator, I have to put an x also in the numerator. So 1 over y times y prime, that's the derivative, equals all over x, negative x sine x, that should be in parentheses too, times natural log of x, times cosine, plus cosine x rather. And then I will multiply both sides by y, but what is y? I've got 1 over y on the left side. Y equals x cosine x, so this is really 1 over x raised to the cosine x times y prime. So I have y prime equals x raised to the cosine x. I keep wanting to say multiply cosine x, that should be in parentheses to make it clear, times negative x sine x times natural log of x plus cosine of x over x. And even if this were the calculator section, I don't know that you could use Desmos. Well, I guess you could, because you could put y equals this, and then you could, or f of x equals that, and then f prime of x of 10 or something, and then whatever answer you get, you can see if you plug in negative 10, it comes out to the same. But that would, you'd still have to find your own answer. So I don't know. Yeah, I'm trying to think. Yeah, you'd have to do this one by hand. So there's the answer anyway. X raised to the cosine x times negative x sine x times natural log of x plus cosine x, all divided by x. There's your answer to this question.